Today we are going to draw a very beautiful seascape with a girl in a beach. Okay, first of all we draw the horizon line with an HB pencil. With a coin, every coin, we reserve or protect one part of our paper to remain white all our drawing. In this, with some sticky thing like an either eraser, we put in the paper, and now we begin to draw. With a 2B pencil, we begin drawing without much detail the silhouette of our girl. As you can see, you may draw this softly and without any care, searching the correct proportions. Okay. Now, one leg. In this case, as you see, it's easy because we don't see details of this girl. Now, the other leg. You may correct it as many times as you need without any problem, because this is the part when we are doing the sketch. So don't press too hard your pencil against the paper. Don't leave marks, only graphite. The other leg, the other arm. And now more detail here. This hair, I think, is mostly good. First shadow with graphite in this way, taking the pencil in this way, almost flat on the paper. Okay, we are giving part by part some graphite. We will return again over improving this shadow, but later in the drawing. Now we are just beginning. Now foot and the feet and some suggestion of the reflection of the water, the girl in the water. You see, it's easy. Let's begin. We'll do some rock here, some mountain, and the reflection of the sun or the moon must be here, I think. The reflections always are vertical straight below the light source, okay? Okay, suggesting things here, and to suggest water, not with great waves, but calm water. These lines will be water flowing to the beach. As we go farther and farther in the sea, we draw less detail and more loosely. This part will be dark because it is against light. Okay. And I think it is good. In order that the sun or the moon appear brighter, or appear it has light, we must darken all that is around it. Sky, water, girl, etc. When you need something appears very bright in a drawing, this is the trick. Put something very dark around it. Now, with the point of the pencil, you see, remark this part to be more dark. Okay, with more detail, easy, not straight lines, but in the distance, these lines appear more straight. This is a soft brush, very useful because it is easy to control it. Okay. With a stamp or a paper, you may lose control, but you may use them too. With a pencil, is a softer blurring technique, softer than with a paper or something like this. Okay, you only remove a tiny part of the graphite with a brush. Okay, regain lights with this. This is a kneaded eraser, as you know. It's an eraser that don't leave smears, and this is a sticky mask. 2H pencil is very useful to regain edges and give more details, because when you draw over something with a 2H pencil, you may regain detail, edge, and may appear it darkened. Okay, the same way in the edge of the waves. Okay. Okay. Only in the edge of the waves. Don't draw everything, okay? Regain details, but not overdraw this. This is graphite powder. Okay, this is just a graphite made powder. Take a little bit with the brush, a very little bit. You don't see, but I am taking very tiny portions of powder and put it on the paper step by step. Don't put too much powder in one time, because it can ruin your drawing. Be step by step. Okay. Don't put too much powder around the sun, because it will be more white, this part. And you can see it's just like painting, but with graphite. Okay. This is very useful because you don't ruin your pencils making powder. Pencils are very expensive. Artistic pencils are expensive, and one can of graphite powder is very cheap, and you can use it for years. Okay. If you don't have graphite powder in your house or in your store, just smash some lid of one of your pencils. Okay, more dark this part. This is only graphite, okay? We don't use charcoal in this drawing. Now, don't blow your drawing, please don't blow. Use a wider and soft pen brush, okay? Regain some lights over the dark part of the tides of the waves. Give more light, so the dark edge appears darker, as I said before. Recover some lights here around the sun, and we are just in the part where we must give details to our drawing. Okay, soft the edge here. If you don't this, it may appear like a stain, not a white part. Lighten this edge of the girl to appear some halo, okay? And with a 6B pencil or the bold pencil you have, make the girl appear very, very, very dark. And don't go out of the edges, okay? Be very careful in this step. because the secret of this drawing is that the girl appears very dark. Okay. Now, some part here, step by step and very carefully. Okay. Some details here. Darken a little bit the reflection of the girl. And now, with a simple HB pencil and with very soft pencil strokes, suggest some lines and soft your drawing, so it appears more alive. This sea appears more alive. Very soft, very soft. Don't press almost anything with this pencil. Okay. Recover some edges here to reinforce them. Now here. Now recover the light of the reflection of the sun or moon, as you wish. The edge of the girl. And you see some halo, white halo around the girl, and it gives a beautiful effect. I'll reinforce the effect now with a white gel pen, but if you don't have, it is not essential, okay? You may not use if you don't have. Remove all the sticky kneaded eraser from the paper. With the kneaded eraser, remove this, and you have a very white part. And this is what I said before. With the white gel pen, you may reinforce the halo, some hairs, but it is not essential. If you don't have, don't worry. With the eraser, you may do this. Hey, if you like this video, I suggest you smash the like button. Okay? See you soon. Be very happy and draw a lot. Bye!